In this video, I will show you how to cancel your replacement order on Amazon and get a refund. I will show you if the replacement order has not been shipped, all the steps, and all the steps if it has been shipped. If the replacement order has not been yet shipped, open the Amazon app and go to the Amazon website. This is where you can access your account and manage your orders. Click on orders. This will show a list of everything you have ordered, including your replacement. Find the replacement order. It will say something such as replacement order for. Make sure you're selecting the correct item that is being replaced. Tap cancel or cancel this order. This option will stop the replacement from being processed. Choose a reason for the cancellation. Amazon will ask you why you're cancelling to improve your service and avoid errors. Tap cancel selected items. This final step confirms your request and will cancel the replacements. If the replacement has already been shipped, follow these simple steps. Wait for the replacement item to arrive. You will need to receive the item before you can start the return process. Go to the orders again. This is where you'll begin the return process for your replacement. Find the replacement order, then select return on replacing goods. This option allows you to return the replacement item if you no longer need it. Choose return and select a reason. Pick a reason helps Amazon understand your return and speed up your processing. Choose how you want to return it, e.g. pick up or drop off. Select a return method that is the most convenient for you. After Amazon receives the return, they will issue a full refund to your account. The refund usually goes back to your original payment method within a few simple days. Now you know how to cancel a replacement order on Amazon and get a refund every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.